What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the inaccurate battery percentage on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel and then click on this power icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. So restarting your phone sometimes fixes small software glitches. So after restarting, if you're still facing the problem, then perform the sensor recalibration. So for that, charge your phone to 100% and after charging your phone to 100% again use until your phone goes off. So when your phone is switched off due to low battery, then again charge your phone to 100%. So doing this will perform the sensor recalibration and it will fix the inaccurate battery percentage. Now after doing this, if you are still facing the same issue, then maybe some apps on your phone are causing this issue. So if you have installed any third-party app which requires the battery permission, then uninstall that third-party app. So to uninstall a app, just simply press and hold on that app and then tap on uninstall. Now tap on OK from the pop-up to confirm, and then that app will be uninstalled. And after uninstalling the app, the inaccurate battery percentage issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the inaccurate battery percentage on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.